Next, we crochet the heart. For this part, we use red yarn and a 2.5 mm hook, 2 for crochet. Next we will explain in detail how to crochet each round. Work into a magic ring first. Now let me show you how to create it. Firstly, hold the yarn end and wrap it around your little finger. Secondly, pull it onto your index finger and wrap it around it. Thirdly, wrap it around the middle finger as I do. Please note that the two yarns on the middle finger should be flush. Fourthly, hold it down with your thumb, insert the hook from the first loop, drag the yarn out, and wrap it again. Hook it out of this loop on the hook, and hold down the loop on the hook. Insert the hook against the finger and pull out the hook. At this point, there are two loops on the hook. Wind the yarn again, and drag both loops at once. So far, we have completed our first stitch. Place a marker clasp at the first stitch. Then let's continue with the crochet of the second stitch. Insert the crochet with our fingers, wind the yarn and pull out. At this point, there are two loops on the crochet. Wind the yarn again, and drag two loops at once to end the second stitch. Please follow the same steps in the following parts to complete them on your own. After crochet, take off the loop from your fingers, tighten the short tail, and organize it into a circle shape. Then, remove the marker clasp and make a slip stitch to end our first round. Create a standing stitch first. The second round is crocheted with a total of 6 single crochet increases, which means that each stitch will be crocheted with 2 single crochet stitches. And this round ends with a total of 12 stitches. We show you how to crochet it. And the rest should be completed on your own. Finally, remove the marker clasp and make a slip stitch. Create a standing stitch first. In the third round, we group 1 single crochet stitch and 1 single crochet increase together, and repeat this group 6 times, resulting in a total of 18 stitches. We show you how to crochet 1 single crochet stitch. And then crochet 1 single crochet increase. The rest should be completed by the viewer. Finally, remove the marker clasp and make a slip stitch. Create a standing stitch first. In the fourth round, we simply crochet 18 double crochet stitches without increasing or decreasing. Attention please, let me show you how to crochet the double crochet stitch. Yarn over once, insert the crochet hook on the side above the chain stitch. Then yarn over again, and pull thorough. At this point, there are 3 loops on the hook. At this time, yarn over and pull thorough the first 2 loops at once, then yarn over once more and pull thorough the remaining 2 loops to complete a double crochet stitch. Let me show you again. Okay, please complete the fourth round on your own. Remove the marker clasp and make a slip stitch. Here the half circle of the heart is finished. Let's follow this technique to crochet another half circle. Create a standing stitch first. Take out the crocheted half circle of the other heart, and we need to join them together. In the fifth round, we simply crochet 36 single crochet stitches without increasing or decreasing. Hook through the other half circle of the heart, yarn over and pull thorough single crochet stitches. Here we can cut the yarn inside a little shorter. The rest should be completed by the viewer. Finally, remove the marker clasp and make a slipped stitch. Create a standing stitch first. In the sixth round, we simply crochet 36 double crochet stitches without increasing or decreasing. Let me show you how to crochet the first single crochet stitch and the second single crochet stitch, and the rest should be completed on your own. Finally, remove the marker clasp and make a slipped stitch. Create a standing stitch first. In the seventh round, we crochet 7 single crochet stitches first, and then crochet 2 single crochet decreases. Attention please, when we perform a single crochet decrease, we need to pick up the outer half of each of the 2 chain stitches to crochet. At this point, there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. We show you how to do it again. Okay. Let us crochet 14 single crochet stitches. Crochet 2 single crochet decreases after crocheting single crochet stitches. And crochet 7 single crochet stitches after decrease is completed. The rest should be completed on your own. Finally, remove the marker clasp and make a slip stitch.